Samsung's One UI 8.5 update has only recently begun rolling out, but surprisingly, Samsung already seems to be working on its next major software release. Fresh leaks now claim that One UI 9 is currently under internal testing, and this may mark the early stages of Samsung's next big Android upgrade based on Android 17. Recent reports reveal that the first internal One UI 9 beta build has been spotted on Samsung's private testing servers. The information was initially shared by an ex-user called Kailash and was later backed up by trusted Samsung insider Tarun Vats. This news has already created huge excitement among Galaxy users because it suggests Samsung has started development on the upcoming update much earlier than people expect. The leaked firmware versions are said to belong to the Galaxy S26 Plus and Galaxy S26 Ultra. During testing, build numbers ending in ZD7 and BZ7 were reportedly discovered, strongly suggesting Samsung is first optimizing the software for its newest flagship smartphones. Of course, this does not mean the public beta will launch immediately, but it clearly confirms that Samsung has officially entered the internal testing stage. And usually, when these test builds begin appearing online, the public beta release is not very far away. Interestingly, Samsung followed nearly the same strategy with One UI 8.5. Internal builds for that update were leaked months before the public beta arrived. A similar situation also happened with One UI 8 last year. So based on Samsung's previous timeline, the first One UI 9 beta could arrive sometime within the coming weeks. Several reports are already hinting that the beta program may begin around late May or early June. If that happens, Galaxy users in regions like South Korea, Germany, India, the United States, the United Kingdom, and Poland will probably receive early access first, just like previous beta programs. What makes this situation even more interesting is the timing itself. One UI 8.5 has only just started reaching users. At the moment, the stable update is mainly available for the Galaxy S25 lineup, while many older supported Galaxy devices are still waiting for official confirmation about when they will get the update. That means Samsung is already developing One UI 9, while a large number of users have not fully experienced One UI 8.5 yet. It clearly shows how aggressively Samsung is pushing software development behind the scenes. And there is another major detail worth mentioning here. One UI 9 is reportedly expected to run on Android 17, which is currently being tested by Google in beta form. More information regarding Android 17 is expected to be revealed during Google I/O on May 12th, and that event could provide a better idea of the features Samsung may bring into One UI 9. But even before the official reveal, multiple leaks have already hinted at several possible upgrades coming with the software. One of the biggest rumored changes is connected to Samsung Internet. Reports claim Samsung may redesign parts of the browser interface to give it a cleaner and more user-friendly appearance. Although complete details are still unavailable, visual refinement appears to be a major focus for this update. The Now bar feature is also expected to receive improvements. Samsung originally introduced it to make quick information easier to access, and now the company reportedly plans to enhance the overall design even further. Widgets could also receive visual upgrades, giving Galaxy devices a fresher and more modern look. Another exciting leak points toward updates inside the gallery application. Samsung may add a new feature that helps users manage selected photos more efficiently. This could make organizing pictures much easier, especially for people who store thousands of images on their devices. But that is not everything. Hidden code reportedly found inside the software also revealed references to future foldable devices, including the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and a completely new product called the Wide Fold. That name alone has already created major curiosity online because many fans believe Samsung could be preparing a foldable phone with a much wider display compared to current models. If true, One UI 9 could launch alongside some of Samsung's most experimental hardware yet. Still, Samsung has not officially confirmed any of these features so far. So for now, everything should still be considered leaks and early information. However, considering how accurate recent Samsung leaks have been, there's a strong possibility that many of these details may eventually prove to be real. The biggest question now is whether Samsung can further improve performance, animations, battery optimization, and overall smoothness with One UI 9. Galaxy users have been requesting faster animations, cleaner visuals, and improved battery efficiency for a long time, and Android 17 could finally help Samsung deliver noticeable improvements in those areas. One thing is clear, Samsung is definitely not slowing down when it comes to software updates. Internal testing for One UI 9 is already underway. Android 17 is getting closer, and the beta program could begin much sooner than many people expected. The next few weeks may become extremely exciting for Galaxy users worldwide. What features do you want Samsung to add in One UI 9? Better animations, stronger battery life, advanced AI tools, or a full redesign? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications for more Samsung updates and leaks. Thanks for so much watching, guys. See you next time.